From today, let's raise important questions. Let's ask, where has humanity disappeared? What is the essence of being in human being? Are we living and letting live? The world today is poisoned with negativity and violence. We know the root cause of it, but how do we change it? From fighting hunger, addressing unfair wages, and tackling poverty and lack of social opportunities, social justice prevails in many corners of the world today. We choose to focus on discrimination based on caste, gender, creed, and colour. We choose to focus on the after effects of terrorism. We choose to let the community suffer for our wrongdoings. Why don't we choose to react earlier? Why protest after an event? Why not before? Why not work together to ensure that the environment is not neglected in the first place? Why not spread awareness about education and health before we reach ground zero? Let us ask these questions earlier. Let us find solutions quicker. Let us make sure that no one lives in despair. Let us not wait to bring change, but to be the change that we want to see by following in the footsteps of Imam Hussain alayhi salam. Hussain Day is an annual interfaith peace convention organised to bring all communities under one platform to protect the principles of humanity and social justice. We would like to draw inspiration from Imam Hussain alayhi salam, grandson of the Prophet, peace be upon him, who spent his whole life propagating the concept of the brotherhood of mankind and spreading the message of peace and non-violence. Following Imam Hussain alayhi salam's footsteps, many eminent personalities from different walks of life are invited to spread the message of peace and unity. On this, the 27th year of Hussain Day, let us together pledge to stand for unity.